Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 4. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed about the number system. In this video we will learn about the numbers name. Today our topic is number name. International number system. Periods are divided into three groups: units, thousands, millions. Students, do you have any idea into how many groups the units are divided? It is further divided into three groups: unit, 10, 100. If we count the number from the right side, the first digit will be called unit, second digit will be tens, and place value of third digit will be 100. Then it comes thousand. Thousand is further divided into three groups: thousands, 10,000s. Then it comes 100,000. I repeat, thousand is divided into three groups: 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. Then it comes millions. Then it comes millions. International number system. Here we have 6-digit number. How we will read it in international number system? There are 2 units and there are 3 tens. What's the place value of 4? The place value of 4 is hundreds. We can say that there are 4 hundreds, 3 tens and 2 units. Now we have completed one period. After 3 digits we will place the comma. What is the place value of 5? Its place value is thousands. Place value of 5 is thousands. What will be the place value of 6? Its place value is 10,000. There are 6 10,000s in this number. What is the place value of 7? Can you tell me? Its place value is 100,000. There are 700,000. I repeat, there are 700,000, 6 10,000s, 5,000s, 4 hundreds, 3 tens and 2 units. In international number system, we will place this number in international number system chart. As there are 2 units, we will place the 2 in units column. We start from the right side. The next digit is tens. There are 3 tens. How many hundreds are there? There are 4 hundreds. There are 4 hundreds. Now students, you will tell me, how many thousands are there? It's very easy. There are 5,000s. And how many 10,000s are there? Very good. There are 6 10,000s. There are 6 10,000s. And the last digit, that is 7. It falls in 100,000. The place value of 7 is 100,000. We can say that there are 700,000. As we have placed the number in this chart, now how we will read it? We can see that there are 700,000, 6 10,000s and 5,000s. These 3 digits complete one period. We will read it as 765,000. I repeat, as these 3 digits are completing one period. We will read it as 765,000. there are 432. In the second period, we can see that there are 432. I repeat, as first 3 digits completes one period, we will read them combined, 765,000. Then we will place the comma. And last 3 digits completes one period. So we will read it as 432. South Asia number system chart has been given. Here we can see that it is further divided into 3 groups: units, thousands, lakhs. Into how many groups the unit is divided? Into 3 groups: unit, 10, 100. I repeat, unit, 10, 100. Now students, you will tell me into how many groups the thousand is divided in South Asian number system. 3? 2? Yes, it is divided into 2 groups: thousands and 10,000s. Thousands and 10,000s. Then it comes lakh, and lakh is divided into 2 groups: lakh, 10 lakh. In South Asian number system, how we will read this number? There are 2 units and there are 3. There are 3 tens. And what will be the place value of 4? Its place value is hundreds. Its place value is hundreds. What will be the place value of 5? Thousands. Now students, you will tell me the place value of 6 according to South Asian number system. Its place value is 10,000. The place value of 6 is 10,000. What will be the place value of 7? Very good. Place value of 7 is lakh, not 100,000. Place value of 7 is lakh. There are 7 lakhs in this number. According to South Asian number system, we will place this number in South Asian number system chart. We can see that there are 2 units and there are 3 tens. How many hundreds are there? There are 4 hundreds. How many thousands are there? Yes, very good. There are 5 thousands. Now what will be the place value of 6? The place value of 6 will be 10,000. Place value of 6 will be 10,000. Now what will be the place value of 7? Its place value is lakh. There are 7 lakhs in this number. First comma will be placed after 3 digits if we start counting from the right side. And then second comma will be placed after 2 digits as it is completing the thousands period. South Asian number system. How we will read this number? We can see that there are 7 lakhs, 6 10,000s, 5 thousands, 4 hundreds, 3 tens and 2 units. How we will read this? There are 7 lakh. Now the next period will be started. How we will read it as 6 and 5? It falls in one period. We will read it as 65. And the period is 1000. We will read it as 65,000. Then we can see that the next period has been started. Here we can see that there are 432. We will read it as 432. The whole number we will read it as 7,65,432. Numbers name. How we will read these numbers in both the systems? The first digit from the right side is unit in International Number System and is 1 in South Asian Number System. In both the system, the second digit called tens, and in both the system, the third digit called 100. What is the place value of 4 digit in both the system? Yes, it is same. Can you tell me? 1000. After 100, the next digit is 1000. Then it comes 10,000. We can see that in both the system, 5 digits are pronounced same. The place value of 5 digit is same. What will be the place value of next digit? In International Number System, it is 100,000. And in South Asian Number System, it is called lakh. The 7th digit in International Number System called millions. In South Asian it is called 10 lakh. In this video we have discussed number names. In the next video we will learn how to insert the comma in the numbers. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.